to worst Carlos night.
Ben's gonna take a break. We'll be right back. Help yourself. There's plenty of food and drink.
This looks delicious. You know, we ought to take some leftovers.
Oh, darn. I only brought my opera bag today. What about your pockets?
Well, actually, I'm saving my pockets for dessert.
Pardon me, dear. Look at this gorgeous balloon.
Look at that cake. Ooh, terrific.
Hi.
Hi.
My name's Max.
Hi, Max. I'm Serena.
You're the most beautiful woman I've ever seen. So, who are all these people?
Well, this wedding unites two big families.
And they all brought their pets.
No, the animals are for good luck.
Say, how'd you like to go outside and get some fresh air?
Sure.
You, what kind of booking is this?
Sorry, Marshall. I'm doing some remodeling.
Is this your idea of a tour?
You're not coming through. What'd you say?
Oh, it's colder than I thought. Maybe we should just go sit in the van.
Okay.
Okay. Slide over.
Come on. It must be in bed. Hey, come on.
Oh, no, my brothers.
Hi, I'm Max.